Residents are still reminded to keep across the conditions on the QFES website. Labor's candidate for Leichhardt has called in backup from her Senate colleagues in a bid to boost manufacturing, today spruiking ALP's billion-dollar future fund towards expanding our region's industry.
Manufacturing jobs are something the Labor candidate for Leichhardt is passionate about.
They seem to be having trouble trying to attract people to apprenticeships.
But today she relied on a posse of pollies to help push her point.
And I would like to now hand over to Senator Ketter.
So I've used my trip to Cairns to speak to a number of local organisations about their perspective.
Labor has announced that it will establish a $1 billion advanced manufacturing fund to assist manufacturers secure finance.
The announcement is part of Labor's election promise to support manufacturing businesses having trouble accessing loans and investment. Labor says the scheme is vital to expanding our region's economy and opening up more job opportunities.
This is an industry which we need to look at protecting into the future and fostering to diversify the North Queensland economy.
But our member for Leichhardt argues Labor is out of touch, with manufacturing already the fourth largest industry in our local economy.
They clearly have no understanding of the value of manufacturing that exists in our city already. It's in our marine maintenance. There's a huge manufacturing component there. It's in our aviation.
He says he's keen to see more detail around how the money is allocated.
They've got to be very, very specific in how they're going to deliver it if you expect to see any outcomes and before we can start to be excited about it.
Lucy McLeod, Win News.
Between droughts, flooding, rains and difficult economic times, it's safe to say our